Okay, hello everybody. So today we're making some Hawaiian style macaroni salad. We started off with 2 pounds of small macaroni and we overboiled it a little bit, please. Um, we went about 5 to 7 minutes over al dente, and you just need it to be on that softer side. Then we grate about a medium-sized carrot in there. Um, just use your box grater; it's fine. Then we'll start grating some eggs, hard-boiled eggs. Now we about 8 large hard-boiled eggs would be fine. As you can see, I have a little bit more here because we had gotten some medium to small eggs, and we just added a little bit more. But 8 large hard-boiled eggs are fine. And just give them a rough grate on your box grater. Nothing has to be fine grated or anything like that. Everything's going to be mixed up. So after you get all these eggs grated in, we'll start adding the seasonings. And the seasonings is basically granulated garlic, a little bit of salt, and fresh ground black pepper. Now a lot of people will use white pepper in their macaroni salad. We don't like white pepper because it's just not the same taste as good old fresh ground black pepper, and it's white pepper is just not the same. Anyway, so after you do that, like I said, right now you'll see me throwing in the granulated garlic and the kosher salt. Kosher, please. Um, Table salt or iodine salt or iodized salt is not, the taste is not correct. So good old kosher salt. Try not to use Hawaiian salt because it won't blend in as good. Just good old kosher salt, fine grain. Excuse me, I dropped the camera, but and then mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is good old Best Foods mayonnaise. People ask, does it make a difference? Yes, it does. For us anyway, and we've been making this for the past 40 some odd years. This is our mom's recipe. So good old Best Food mayonnaise. For those of you east of the Rockies, it's Hellman's. Same company, same taste, same everything. But yeah. So anyway, 4 cups of mayonnaise. We're gonna add 4 cups of mayonnaise, and the mayo is gonna look like it's too much, but trust me, it's not. It's your macaroni salad has to look wet, and if you serve this macaroni salad the day after you make it, you're probably gonna have to add more mayonnaise. In fact, even if you sell it um, 2 or 3, serve it 2 or 3 hours later, you're probably gonna have to add more mayo. It's gonna look wet at the beginning, but that's how it's supposed to be. Macaroni salad is basically macaroni and mayonnaise, so don't be afraid that it's too much mayonnaise, because it's, like I say, it's the macaroni is gonna absorb it. So after you have it well mixed, get everything blended together. It's good to let it sit for about a good half an hour to an hour, and let all the flavors meld together. This is our recipe. Some people make it. There's so much different kind of recipes for Hawaiian style macaroni salad. Some people don't use eggs. Some people don't use carrots. Some people want to add this and add that. And I got a lot of comments on my Facebook page saying to add chicken or to add tuna or whatever. And you can do that. It's just that this is for our restaurant, so it's basically, it's for cost wise, and we don't. It's just basic macaroni salad. But like I say, you can add anything you want. Chicken would be great. Shredded chicken, tuna from the can would be great. But for our purposes, it's just basic macaroni salad. Give this recipe a try. I think you folks will like it. It's not that hard. It's very simple, and it's a taste of home. I hope you folks enjoyed this video. Come back often. We'll start putting out these videos of local food that since we're located in Las Vegas and California now, we're always making local food and try to share it with the world. I'll have a lot of guest chefs coming in and making versions of Mexican, Italian, whatever kind of food that we cook at our restaurants too. And we'll be giving you guys a lot of recipes for what we do in our restaurants and what you can do at home. Anyway, you folks have a wonderful day. You folks always be safe out there. And if you folks have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll try and answer any of your questions that you folks have, or you folks have any ideas that you folks want us to make. Also, you folks stay blessed out there and stay safe, and we shall see you folks soon. Aloha.